Welcome back, Fleur community. Today we're going to take a little bit of a deeper look at NFTSO, the Songbird network's latest marketplace. More specifically, we're going to look at the ability to like NFTs. Now, this is obviously a first for Songbird. It really does allow you to, show your interest in a particular NFT. And it's a great way to judge the popularity of it. So here we have the marketplace itself. This is the landing page. And if we just click over here on, let's say this one, you can see that it does actually have 35 likes already. And from this, we can sort of gauge the popularity of this NFT. It seems as though a lot of people like it, which may suggest that it's very desirable. Now, personally, I actually love this NFT. I think it looks incredible. But yeah, you may be wondering how you can like it. It's very intuitive and very simple. All you have to do is go up here to the like button, give it a click. That's it. That's it. It's very simple. Now 36 people like this. And I think it's a really great way to gauge the interest on an NFT, potentially before buying it. If you were looking to sell it at a later date, you need to have that demand there. And with this particular example, having a supply of only 15 with 36 people liking it, it sort of suggests that more people like it than the supply is available, meaning that the demand could potentially be higher than an average NFT, and thus the chance of reselling at a profit could be more likely. A very short and sweet one today. I hope you enjoyed the video and, more importantly, that you are enjoying NFTSO as the latest marketplace to launch on Songbird. So, with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.